Hi Dolly friend, want to sew for your doll using a Japanese doll book but don't know where to begin? In this video, we're taking a look at sections you'll typically find inside a sewing book. By the end, you'll have a basic understanding of what to expect from these books and feel prepared to give that project a try. Let's dive in, shall we? The books I'll be using as examples are Treasured Doll Coordinate Recipe, Doll's Closet Seasons, and Nendoroid Doll, Book of Adorable Seasonal Outfits. Usually, you'll see a section that has photos of the looks, along with a page number to the instructions. There tends to be a section that gives tips and techniques for making the projects. In this particular book, this section is showing how to transfer the markings on the pattern to the fabric. Books may also include an area that talks about the recommended sewing tools to have on hand. Some books may even have an area that covers recommended fabrics to use. This Nendoroid doll book does a good job in preparing you for sewing success. Now it's time for the fun part, sewing. Well, almost. We still have to find our pattern. Some patterns are detachable from the book, while others are not. Instead, they are printed in the book like this. Once you found the pattern, it's time to see if it will fit your doll. Books will have a section letting you know what size doll the pattern is designed for. These guides could look like this or this. You'll also come across a list of materials needed to sew the project. Are you still with me? We're almost at the end, I promise. The last thing I want to touch on is project instructions. Depending on the book, the instructions may be step-by-step photos, illustrations, or they may have both. Now you know the typical sections in a Japanese sewing book. You know about the preview of the looks, tips and techniques, recommended tools, fabrics to use, the different forms of the patterns. You know books may have a doll size section and a materials list, and you know about the different instruction layouts. Way to go! You learned so much. Give yourself a round of applause. Now it's time to take what you learned and put it into action. Tell me, what sewing book are you going to apply your newfound skills to? Leave a comment below. Until next time.